If you're wondering that, does the iPhone 15, 15 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus support reverse charging or not? So in this video, I will answer this question. So the answer is yes. The iPhone 15 series support reverse wired charging, meaning that you can charge another device using your iPhone through the USB Type-C port on the iPhone. For that, just grab the charging cable of your iPhone. As you can see over here, I have a USB Type-C to Type-C charging cable since both of the devices over here have a USB Type-C port. Now just plug in one end of the cable to your iPhone and plug the other end of the cable to any other device. It can be another smartphone, your Bluetooth headphones, or speakers. And after you do that, the second device will start charging like that. While the iPhone 15 series support wireless charging, meaning that you can charge your iPhone with a MagSafe charger or any other wireless charger, but they do not support reverse wireless charging. So you cannot charge any other device by placing them on the back of your phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.